Good evening, and we are now in week 11 of Social Work 633. Again, if you have any assignments that are outstanding, please try to get them in as quickly as possible because we are fast approaching the end of the semester. So this week, we are again looking at psychodynamic approaches around working with families. This week, we are looking at emotionally focused couple therapy and object relations family therapy. And they involve the nature of emotional attachment and various developmental factors or historical events that influence current familiar relationships. Learning objectives are as follows: to describe some key concepts of EFT or object relations therapy, to identify and describe the interventions used in the video of an emotionally focused couples therapy session. So let's look at the learning resources for this week. We have an article by Sue Johnson. We have called The Practice of Emotionally Focused Couple Therapy. We have a second article on emotionally focused family therapy. And then you're asked to choose one of the following, but to download all the articles for future use. There are a series of handouts. One is on the negative cycle. The negative cycle is your common enemy. The second is our negative cycle. The third is building a safe and secure relationship. And the fourth is the blank infinity sign. So I'll just click on these for a second. So here's the negative cycle is your common enemy. The second is our negative cycle. So you will be able to see all of them here. The third is building a safe and secure relationship. And the fourth is the blank infinity sign. The websites are emotionally focused therapy. So this is that website. And this is Dr. Sue Johnson. And this website is on EFT and becoming a member and how to get trained. And there is a video on emotionally focused couples therapy by Dr. Johnson and a podcast as well. There are two assignments this week. The first is a discussion post. So after viewing the Johnson EFT film and reading the Johnson article in this week's learning resources, include all of the following three components in your initial post. Identify and discuss how three of the basic tenets of attachment theory in the Johnson article are applied in EFT. In your own words, describe the significance of attachment theory in couples therapy, and also describe how Johnson reframed the client's problem into a psycho-reflecting attachment needs and fears. So you are encouraged to respond to your peers, but you do not have to. The next assignment is the group assignment, the group family therapy theory grid. So you are completing the next column on psychodynamic EFT, and that submission is due by Sunday. The last item for this week is a self-care activity, and it is a guided meditation. So I would encourage you to avail yourself of that opportunity to take a few minutes for self-care. If you have any questions for this week, please let me know as quickly as possible, and have a wonderful week.